I have the heat press heating up. It's almost at the 400 degrees. Hi everyone, I'm Maritza, and I am going to be sublimating this shirt, which I purchased at FiveBelow. It is 92% polyester, so we're gonna see how this works. I am going to be putting this design on the shirt for my daughter. Not too many colors on the design because the shirt has multiple colors. I'm gonna put it right there. I'm gonna grab some heat tape. Put some tape on it just so it doesn't move. I put butcher paper between the shirt in case it bleeds through. I'm also going to use a piece of butcher paper on top of the design so it doesn't bleed up into my Teflon. I put this for 60 seconds. And this is my first sublimation shirt. There goes my 60 seconds. The design, I don't know if you can tell, but it did bleed through. We're gonna, this is very hot. Hot, 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 hot. Hot. The design came out really nice. Next thing I want to do is these little shorts, and it's 92% polyester. And here, I'm gonna put this in the middle in case it does bleed. And here I'm just going to put my daughter's name right here. No. Take the moisture out, heat it a little bit. And I'm just gonna put her name right up here. Doesn't have to be even. Just putting it right there. Oh, so me. And then now I'm going to put the butcher paper on top.
Are those my new shorts, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
They're mine?
Are done, and we're gonna see how this works. It did bleed through again.
Ooh.
And it is very hot, and there it is.
What happened? What are you staring at?
It did not bleed through the inside. And here is the shorts with her name on them. They're very hot, and they came out really nice. It is 100% polyester. I am testing different things. As I mentioned before, I'm new to sublimation. Right now I am removing any lint the shirt may have. I do have my butcher paper in between the shirt in case the ink bleeds through. I'm going to be sublimating this design onto my shirt. And it should be straight. I'm going to use heat transfer tape so it doesn't move. And I'm going to be using butcher paper in case it bleeds through. 400 degrees for 60 seconds. So we're gonna see how this sublimates on this shirt. 60 seconds are up. And of course I purchased these shirts because they were only $5 from FiveBelow, and I'm just practicing right now. And it did bleed through this shirt. I don't know if you can tell. It did bleed through, so I'm glad I put the paper in so it doesn't mess up my Teflon or my heat press. And now this is very hot. I'm gonna peel this right off. And here we go. I'm gonna zoom into that. And that looks great. And oh, I forgot I also have parchment paper under it, and it didn't bleed through. And this is my shirt. I like how the shirt looks. The colors came out really good, and I'm happy with that. And now we're gonna take it off. And it did bleed through. And we are going to peel this off. It's stuck to the shirt. Oh, here we go. Now we're gonna peel that right off. And there we go, and most of the color came right off. Oh. There is no bleeding on the inside. And there goes the shirts. That is it for today. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or suggestions, leave a comment below. Thank you for joining. If there's something in this video that can help you or someone you know, please share, subscribe. See you in the next video.